Since lako kami wiroy, ako man mamsam na tunin na TMC, yang akang klaka wilaw ngiranggoy. Wakok mamayang alay sa alsil, sa kotan mayang alay sa PNCC. PNCC ablel award niya 34.9 million and more high-speed internet access. It's a grant from USDA. Tiyang al grant mo nga sewol ra high-speed internet access throughout Palau. Tiyang sel latob dal grant mo pol sa monita gidel high-speed internet access and will connect over 9,000 homes, businesses, education, and government facilities. Tiyang awangele PNCC Chairman Bradley Gumangay stated that with this Reconnect grant funding, PNCC is now able to take the next step to bring affordable high-speed connections from Kayangan to Angaur. At tara Meang alay sa Palau Election Commission. Nga nga tablod special election nga maran May, special election ra mora Senate seat, mamora hato Obey State and mora legislator. Adra PEC malas kra President tergid surang Whips Jr. for supplemental fundings for gagid tablol unforeseen special election in the upcoming months. Estimated budget and more special election na Senate na 90,000, etira ospe 50,000 and more special election na hato Obey State. So all in all, at the request 140,000. At taramyang alay sa nganyar 4 al-adal run for the Senate seat, mga niya Salvador Telams, Enclol at Singeo, Jackson Henry, mas Lencer Basilius. Tira ka nga na-express silwasing sorin mormurten mo Senate and din tira ka formally file or petitioner tir Lopanggela Palau Election Commission. At taramyang alay sa Palau Judiciary, Lamor nga terud sworn in as judges, Makot Fred M. Isaac, nga Associate Justice for the Supreme Court's Appellate Division. Hanggang amne serve 3 years sa Dean of the School of the KIMEP University of Almaty, Ngara, Kazakhstan. Hanggang direct amne serve 18 years at Merrillhurst University in the United States. Hanggang amne 13 years as Senior Law Clerk for four federal judges on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 9th Circuit Court. Direct serve under the Chief Judge in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 7th Circuit. G. Meet Bills, sworn in as the Senior Judge for the Court of Common Plea. Assistant Prosecutor for the SP, focusing on criminal cases involving public officials. Attorney General with the Palau Office of the Attorney General from January of 2020 and July 2021, focus ay civil division cases. Earn a bachelor's degree in biology and sa Juris Doctor from Pace University School of Law. Admitted to practice law in New York and took the oath of the Appellate Division of the Supreme Court of New York, First Judicial Department. So congratulations to our new judges ra Palau Supreme Court. At taramyang alay sa former President Tamir Mangasao Jr. Office as Special Prosecutor lafar a motion for an order to show cause for criminal case number 09-092. That motion request as to why the defendant's non-payment of fines in accordance with court order payment plan sera enter sera August 2021 adira kakalbol tokoy. Tiang a second time a Republic requested tagi the show cause hearing. Sera 2009 a former President Tamir Mangasao Jr. was convicted in 2 ethic codes violation. El alta mendira ka ora Republic $144,750 of the original fine and $156,400. The show cause hearing scheduled and mo November 8, 2022. Tiang adi reminder and more other blue alwasetiga recruiters the US Army ang Artel Palau. They will be giving an ASVAB testing and nga mo ngira PCC cafeteria on November 16, Mas 17, lomo ora 1:30 PM. Malsuko mo kom adara blue na rongo sitya ngem tanga tira adal sorry rel join na military malubang nga ang algiwol sorry rel join mo takangal mo nga PCC cafeteria November 16, Mas 17 mo test and then join na military. Obo mo lara test mo takangal bring a ID ra kami. Malaway say, agigida ko meang al ice, it's a bit top that al sales. Eko maram nom sam netun in at TMC, and don't forget to buckle up and drive safe.